Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today I will be cooking a classic Filipino dish, adobo. And of course I'll be cooking this one my version because every household in the Philippines has their own way of cooking chicken adobo. For my version of chicken adobo, I'm going to mix all of the ingredients that we have in here. For the meat, I am using the chicken thigh and then the chicken drumsticks. So I'm just going to put it on the pot. I have in here a half cup of soy sauce and then a half cup of white vinegar. Then I crushed some garlic. The next one, I'm adding a bit of sugar because I wanted to balance the tangy flavor of the vinegar with the salty flavor of the soy sauce. So this is 1.5 tablespoons of white sugar. I usually use dark brown sugar, however we only have the white sugar in here. Then I'm just going to massage everything all together. I'm also adding 1 cup of water because you don't want your adobo to dry up so quickly. So you just have to boil this all together. Now a bit of salt and then some pepper. And of course, don't forget to add your bay leaf. Now we're ready to put this one on the stove and start cooking. On a medium heat, I'll let this cook for 13 minutes. However, halfway through, I'll be turning or flipping the chicken to make sure it's evenly cooked and well coated. In addition to the 30 minutes cooking, I'll be lowering the heat to simmer and reduce the sauce to attain a slightly syrupy consistency of the sauce. Don't forget to taste in case you need to adjust the flavor. For me, I wanted my adobo to taste a little bit sweet, so I'm adding an extra half tablespoon of sugar, but it depends on you if you want it salty or sweet, so it is optional. The chicken adobo is now ready because the liquid has been reduced and the sauce comes into a syrupy consistency. It is best to serve and eat adobo when it's hot, and of course always with rice. And luckily Ginny just came home so she can eat this with me as well. Once again, thank you for watching until the end. Before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe on our channel for more videos.